Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to crochet my first design, and this pattern was written by me, so I decided to crochet this pattern with this yarn, Alize Diva. It's completely acrylic and the color is 41. Okay, let's start. For a start, this mandala, make a magic ring like this. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. This is count as first double crochet. We want to make 16 double crochet in this magic ring, so this is first one, another double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 16 I come back here. Now after 16 double crochet we make a slip stitch, top of very first double crochet here, top of this 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Here we make a slip stitch and close the ring like this, and this is round 1. Total is 16 double crochet. Round 2, chain 1 for a start. We want to make bubble stitch around each of this double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook around this first double crochet, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, again yarn over, insert your hook around the first double crochet, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through, and this is 2 loops on the hook, and again. Now it's bubble stitch. Again yarn over, insert your hook around next double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook around the same double crochet. Now a bubble stitch like this. Again yarn over, around next double crochet we want to make bubble stitch. Totally 16 bubble stitch, and after that I come back here to close this round. Now after 16 bubble stitch, a slip stitch, top of very first bubble stitch here, round 2, finish. Round 3, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, now 2 chain, 1, 2, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch, now 2 chain, a bubble stitch around next, and continue this pattern. Around each of this bubble stitch we make bubble stitch plus 2 chain, 1, 2, a bubble stitch around next. Totally 16 bubble stitch and 16 2 chain space, and I come back here. Now after 16 bubble stitch plus 2 chain, we make the last 2 chain and a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here. Totally 16 bubble stitch, so I just count them: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Round 4, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around the same bubble stitch here, now chain 1, a double crochet into 2 chain space, chain 1, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch, and repeat this pattern: chain 1, a double crochet into 2 chain space, chain 1, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch. Totally 16 bubble stitch, 32 chain 1 and 16 double crochet in this round. I come back here. After the last bubble stitch, I made chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 and a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 5, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, now chain 1, 2 back post double crochet around this double crochet, like this, back post double crochet, now another back post double crochet around the same double crochet, chain 1, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, and repeat the pattern: chain 1, 2 back post double crochet around this double crochet, one, and now another one around the same double crochet here, chain 1, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch, chain 1, 2 back post double crochet around next double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and a double crochet, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, like this. Continue this pattern and I come back here, so here we have 2 back post double crochet. Now for close this round, after the last 2 double crochet, chain 1, make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch, round 5 finish,